This is a Sony Xperia Play Take Apart Repair Guide. The first step will be to remove the back battery cover. From there we can remove the memory card and battery. Now, using a Torx T5 screwdriver, remove the 13 T5 screws as shown in the video. With all the screws removed, we can now use the Safe Open Pry tool to remove the back housing from the rest of the device. Gently glide the Safe Open Pry tool on the bottom and top, releasing the clips holding the back housing in place. Notice that the power button will likely fall off. Put this aside until reassembly. Remove the two small Phillips screws located on the motherboard. Using a Safe Open Pry tool, gently pry the audio headphone jack from the housing. We can now gently swing the motherboard to the left and release the one pop connector as shown in the video. We can now remove the motherboard and keypad. Using a pry tool, remove the two stickers covering two small Phillips screws as shown in the video. We can now remove all four small Phillips screws. Using a pry tool, gently lift this black tab to expose a small connector. Gently release the jaw and remove the flex cable located inside. Now, gently release the adhesive holding the touchscreen flex cable in place. Using a Safe Open Pry tool, begin releasing all the clips holding the LCD screen to the front housing. To remove the LCD screen from the back housing, gently use a Safe Open Pry tool to lift the LCD screen. Once the LCD screen is released, you can flip it upwards and release the one jaw connector. The LCD screen can now be replaced. To remove the touchscreen digitizer, you'll need to remove the keypad buttons located in the bottom of the front housing. With the buttons removed, we can now heat the front of the touchscreen digitizer using a heat gun or hair dryer. Use quick movements around the outside edges for about 45 seconds. With the adhesive heated, we can now use the Safe Open Pry tool to begin prying along the outside edges of the touchscreen, releasing the adhesive holding the screen to the front housing. Carefully work your way around all four edges, releasing the adhesive. Reheat the adhesive if necessary. You can now replace the touchscreen digitizer.